Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So here I'm showing you the colors that I've used in making this flower. So let's start. So this is the mold by Molds and Shape, and I'm using their holographic mold. And let's start. What I'm doing here is I am pouring my black resin on the outer edges. By the way, I have waited around you can say 15 minutes for this resin to get on the thicker side, and I am using Total cast by Alicam. It's actually a medium viscosity resin. So you can see that here my resin is thick and it is of a honey consistency. And now I'm getting with the gold. It's antique gold from resin 8. And I'm doing few circles of this gold color. And after that, I will be adding clear resin into the center. And after that, I will be circling my the vintage pink color, and making sure I have no blobs. I will be doing it in a one go, speedy. And after that, with the help of a tool, I will be making the petals. Make sure to make the petals very slowly, and I am not touching my tool to the mold because I really don't want to scratch it, because these holographic molds get scratched easily. And here I went with my silicone tool that I got from the kit from UV kit from Let's Resin. It's so amazing. I really forgot that I have it. This makes life so easier. So after making my petals, I added some golden nuggets in the center of the flower that I forgot to show here. So when I was making this flower, I thought that I might add some golden in between, but I got with the pink, so I let it cure. So this is the next day, and let's see how it turned out. So yeah, I think I got a very soft, beautiful flower here. And this was a quick process on how I make my flowers. I hope you like it. So there are a lot of ways of making flowers. So this is one of them. Sometimes they are very precise. Sometimes they are floating. So there are a lot of techniques, and each to their own, the style they like. And with this holographic, it added more beauty to this coaster. So I hope you like it, and like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.